What is SL? SL is the primary currency unit used within the SASEUL network, which maintains complete decentralization. All the status changes within the SASEUL system require the use of SL. When transferring in SASEUL, a basic transaction fee is paid in SL, and additional fees are required for actions like issuing NFTs or executing contracts. These fees are distributed as rewards to nodes that successfully mine and process block data, ensuring that no single entity manages the fees. Fees paid for using contracts are distributed according to the rules set by the contract issuer. SL has a total supply of approximately 5.5 billion, which can be mined over 100 years. In SASEUL, the mining rate decreases by about 16% each year. This is an approximate figure for convenience, not an exact number, leading to a halving every 4 years, similar to Bitcoin. However, to mitigate the sudden impact of Bitcoin's halving, SASEUL has adopted a gradual reduction logic, decreasing the mining rewards each year. For most people, the key concern is not the intricate logic or principles behind SL, but rather its current and future value, and whether it will be listed on exchanges. To many, cryptocurrency is just another asset for investment, rather than a medium of exchange. In other words, cryptocurrencies have never held value from a utility perspective. For everyone, coins have been alternative assets, welcomed for their liquidity compared to the stock market and the 247 nature of the crypto market. However, some analysts still believe that utility equals value. Cryptocurrencies have rarely been used for practical purposes. Bitcoin was once used for some payments, but that was in its early days, and after Bitcoin became mainstream, it turned into an alternative asset to protect against fiat currency depreciation. What about Ethereum? When its value was low, the gas issue wasn't as significant, but once Ethereum's value increased, the gas problem became more pronounced. Some might mention currencies like Ripple, but I won't delve into that, as it doesn't align with this discussion. The truth is, Bitcoin and Ethereum were the only cryptocurrencies that maintained decentralization. Even Ethereum has now diverged from that path. If a cryptocurrency is ever used as its name suggests, as currency, it would likely be as a DRDC, decentralized representative digital currency, rather than a token-like security. DRDC represents the beginning and the end of cryptocurrencies and might be their only true utility. Naturally, both Bitcoin and SL, which currently maintain decentralization, contain the potential to become DRDCs. However, due to Bitcoin's slow transaction speed, it may be challenging to use in daily life, making SL a likely candidate to be the first DRDC. The fundamental difference between Bitcoin, SL, and numerous other coins and tokens lies in the questions they raise, and those investing in cryptocurrencies or seeking to protect their assets should consider these questions carefully. What was the initial price of Bitcoin? What was the initial price of SL? The answer is 0. This is the most crucial condition for DRDCs. Both Bitcoin and SL started with a value of 0. Although Bitcoin's value fluctuates, a long-term analysis shows a definite upward trend, because it cannot fall below its starting point of 0. However, many tokens, initially given arbitrary values during pre-sales, often experience catastrophic declines after being listed on exchanges. Cryptocurrencies inherently belong to no one. Even the US government cannot suppress Bitcoin, as it is entirely independent of traditional fiat currency systems. Yet, those who can't break free from conventional economic thinking continue to evaluate cryptocurrencies within the framework of the existing financial system. The opposite approach should be taken. The current value of a coin in dollars, yen, or any other fiat currency is irrelevant because cryptocurrencies have already escaped the traditional monetary system. In our economic lives, we are bound to the existing monetary system, which is why we evaluate all values based on fiat currency. This is a simple fact. Therefore, recognizing this gap isn't easy. However, understanding what a DRDC is crucial. Why use Bitcoin instead of the dollar? Why use SL instead of the dollar? The answer lies in escape. It is difficult to pinpoint where the boundaries between economic activity, currency, and cryptocurrencies lie, but that doesn't mean those boundaries don't exist. If desired, the state can monitor our economic activities at any time. We pay taxes to the government every year, and banks assess our financial status to determine loan amounts. Credit card companies track our spending and set limits accordingly. All our economic activities are being monitored. Simultaneously, when the state issues new currency, the value of our savings decreases. Even if it's not visible, we are becoming poorer at this very moment. Escaping all these shackles and achieving financial freedom is what we call DRDC, which is the identity of SL. No matter how good the technology is, it will fail without proper promotion. Is that really true? Were the technologies that failed to take off really good technologies? Or were they simply improvements? If LAN hadn't been promoted, would people who encountered it have continued to use modems? It's easy to transfer impressive-sounding phrases from books, but that doesn't make them true. A good technology is one that brings about a paradigm shift so profound that it cannot be killed or stopped by market forces, no matter how hard they try. Such a technology is defined as good, and in history, truly good technologies have never been buried, just like SASEUL.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way cause of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now. I'm gonna be fine.